Hey guys, this is a short video. If you have faced this type of problem, how can you solve this? I want to show you. So now let me check. When I want to start it, when I'm going to start it, but it will not support. So let me go to there and I have to change the port. Let me change and then just okay, 43606, you have to remember it, then save, and then you have to go there, just copy this and again, and here write port, and this is true, here 4306. Okay, 4306. Okay, now saved it and now give start. So it is running, and now give admin. I hope that it will work, and now you can see it is working. So I have done a lot of work here, performance, neo, scammy, and many other options here. So this is basically my new file, and this is the previous one when I found a lot of error here. For solving this problem, I have to do this. Okay, then after completing your work you can stop this, and when you want to start you just click here, this is start, and you can see here MySql and Apache modules colors are green actually. Okay, so I hope that you can understand it, and if you want to go to the actual place, so click here explorer. So this is the Xampp folder, and inside this Xampp folder you can you can see all the file. Okay, okay, this is all the file, and okay, I hope that you can understand this, and if you have any problem you can share with me and in the comment section, and how much possible I will try my best solve all of your problem. And thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and if you like my video please do like, comment, share, and obviously subscribe. Allah Hafiz.